What's up, you guys? It's Wes, and if you want to see how I made this delicious crispy peanut butter tofu noodles with my new favorite tofu press and how you can get one for yourself, then go ahead and subscribe and stick around to the end. So the other day I received this tofu press from Yarkor, I believe I'm saying that correctly. They have different tofu presses, but I got this one. It's supposed to get all the liquid out in like 10 to 30 minutes, and it's supposed to be real simple to use, so we're going to find out and see. So when you open up the box, it comes with a little cookbook in there, and it has different recipes in it. I actually got today's recipe from this book, and I highly recommend keeping this thing. It's awesome. Keep it. Now what's left in the box is the spring, the top lid, the middle strainer, and looks like the water collector. So we're just going to wash it and come right back. So you take the spring and put it in the bottom tray, which is the water collector, and you want to take your tofu, extra firm, and put it in the middle tray, which is the strainer. And what's cool about this design is that as the spring pushes the tray up, the water releases out versus like a plate style where you have to constantly twist the knob to release the water. But once you do that, you take your tofu, put it on top of the spring, take the lid, place it on top, and then you just press it down. I'm going to show you a side view of what that looks like so you can kind of see the water begin to seep out. So as I push it down, you can begin to see the water coming out the bottom. So we're just going to push it down and lock it in place so that it can do its thing. If you want, you can sit and watch it happen for the next 30 minutes or not. But this is the results. You can see that all this water came out and like half of the tofu's gone, which is what I love about this thing because you can see right through it. You don't even got to guess. You can just see. Awesome transparency. Greatness. But now we're going to take it out and you see the water still dripping out. It's okay. So just to see how much water we got, I'm just pouring in a measuring cup. And we got a half a cup. A half a cup of water came out of all that tofu. How would you get fried tofu like that? Impossible. Impossible. You just couldn't get crispy tofu that way. It has to be done with this thing. It's BPA free, made of 100% food grade material. Like, ugh. Just get this thing. Look how firm this extra firm tofu is. Like, it was firm before, but look at that. It's dry. It's going to be so crispy. Now let's get to cutting it. So first we're going to take it and we're going to cut it in half down the middle just like this. Then we're going to stack it and we're going to cut it long ways a couple times. And then we're going to turn it and we're going to cut it into cubes just like this. Real simple. Nothing complicated. Then we're going to get a measuring cup, get some peanut butter in there, some dark soy sauce, light soy sauce, chili paste, sesame oil, rice vinegar, sugar, garlic, and ginger. And we're going to whisk that together until it's a sauce. If it's too thick, add some water. I had to add some water. It's perfectly okay. Now in a medium-high pan, we're going to get our tofu in there. I seasoned my tofu with some adobo, pepper, other stuff. I don't remember, but it's seasoned, so season your tofu. Once your tofu turns this color, just know you should have confidence because you're doing it right. You're doing it right when it looks like this. Look how crispy and golden this looks. How could you get this without this tofu press? It would just be mushy in my head. Like, it wouldn't do this. Look at those sizzles. Look at the sizzles. Ugh. If you want to get one of these presses just from this alone, there's a discount code in my description, so go ahead and use it. You're welcome. But once we get there, it got even crispier. I'll let it go for a few more minutes. But we're going to add in some noodles. So instead of using the zucchini noodles it called for, I used cooked udon noodles, and I just threw those in there. You should probably throw some water in it with it so it can break down some, but I didn't do that. I kind of forgot, but it's okay. I did that, added the sauce, then added water, and it all came together, so it's okay if you mess up. You can always make it work. So now I'm just adding the sauce with a little bit of water, and we're just going to mix it up and top it off with some sesame seeds and some green onion, and call that dinner. And this wonderful meal would not have been possible without the Yarkor Tofu press. And if you're interested in getting one for yourself, go ahead and check out the links below in my description. And like always, go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, do all those things for me, you know. You know what I need you to do. But until next time, I'll see y'all later. Peace out.